Okay, I'm going to play the point out. Whoever wins that point then gets to choose if they want to go in and out or stay in. Okay, so far, you ready, Mike? Yeah. The first one we've both got to be in. I've lost that point. Mike, you decide if you want to be in or back.
I'll go back, yeah.
Okay, so I've got to stay in this time.
I got to stay. Oh, I've got to stay out first.
No, you can go in and out.
Okay.
I've just got to stay in. Go again?
Yeah.
Go in and out. Yeah. Still trying to play the point. Yeah. I can move in if I want, so I can move in